disqualifications match. Making his way to the ring from Glens Falls, New York, weighing in at 220 pounds, Neil.
As we ready for singles action, Byron, what can you tell us about these two competitors?
Well, I can say that both of these superstars come into this match incredibly hungry to prove their dominance here tonight. But as we all know, only one will walk away with their arm raised in victory.
And the good news is that he appears to be coming into tonight with a little extra motivation.
Yeah, he's really had a chip on his shoulder as of late, and it seems to have been helping him.
And his opponent, accompanied by Mardy, and from out of this world, weighing in at 220 pounds, Lightning Bear.
There is an absolutely big fight feel in the arena tonight for this one.
Yeah, and judging from the vibe here currently, it seems to me like this is the one this sold-out crowd came to see.
Allow me to point out just how focused he appears to be here tonight.
I noticed the same thing, Cole. In fact, it looks to me like he'll settle for nothing short of a victory here in this one.
There's no other way to put it. This one-on-one match is going to be a struggle in every sense of the word. Neither man looks like they are remote.
Oh, a knee right to the face.
That knee is a lethal weapon. He's looking good now, guys.
He gets him with the overhand punch. Corey, tell me, just how much strength does carrying your opponent around like this take?
Let's put it this way, Cole. Saxton would never be able to do it.
And there's the counter. No, there's the reversal. Oh, and it's an all-out blitz on the neck. Oh, right on the crown of the skull. He could do it here. He got body on body there, but that's about it.
Wow, what a display of heart and determination.
When this guy's on, look out. He's looking at it. Oh, what a brain buster.
Oh, nasty. That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
That'll readjust your spine.
He lands the overhand.
Look at this. There's absolutely no wasted motion in this attack.
On, he's one step ahead on that one.
If this superstar can just land the finisher here.
There's the cover. Can he do it? He got it. No. Kick out at 2.
Wow, what's it going to take?
No, reverses it.
He's making a statement here with this.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
I don't know, guys. I really thought we would have seen the finisher already.
He's barking about something now.
This is uncalled for.
This is it. You have to think that's it. Wait a minute. And he fights his way free.
He's got to be working on instinct right now, Cole. The way I see it, this might be a good time for the finish.
He thinks he has it.
Oh, just inches, millimeters from a 3 count.
With all the damage done, you have to wonder how much more it'll take.
He clearly did his homework heading into tonight.
We've seen this before.
Headbutt! Oh, what impact!
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
An early pin attempt. 2. No, he kicks out at 2.5.
Oh, man, I don't know who to root for.
And Byron, he's still down after that one.
Yeah, that did some big-time damage, Michael.
Warm up the buses. This one's over.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know.
His shoulders are down.
2.
The pinfall and the victory.
Here is your winner, Lightning Bear.
Wow, huge pinfall win here tonight.
You know, it didn't happen often, but I can attest being pinned is humiliating.
And the crowd here tonight still in awe over that great match.